Teardowns reveal that one thing you won't want to do is break your new Galaxy S9. Apple is planning to release its so-called budget-friendly Mac along with a new iPad at WWDC or later, and Honor is all about US launches with the new View10 making an official appearance. I'm Jaime Rivera, and in positive news today, only one phone with a notch will be talked about today. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. If you're not tired of those "Can you hear me now" guy ads from Sprint, they continue, but now because there is this new unlimited or ultimate unlimited plan from the company, and you can learn more details about all the perks that you're getting, but probably one of the most important ones is the fact that you get free Hulu, which is pretty much $8, in addition to also more hotspot. Again, learn more in the description. Other official news have to do with Honor, as we've been really looking forward to the company's new launches this year, particularly the Honor View10, which is pretty much the Honor, well, the Huawei Mate 10 Pro, but in another chassis. We're talking the same Kirin 970 processor, in addition cameras and everything. It's pretty much the same performance, but in a budget-friendly manner. The product goes live in the United States today, and you can expect our coverage on this phone coming very soon. And as for that only phone that we're going to talk about that includes a notch, it is coming from Oppo. The company is teasing a new Oppo F7 device that apparently is going to be the selfie king because of the camera technology, which is what justifies the notch in addition to other features. Specifications are actually not that bad. You can learn more about them in the description. It's been a long time since we've seen Oppo really change things up a bit. Let's see what we get in the end. Now let's move the spotlight over to Apple. We've been covering some rumors of the company bringing a budget-friendly iPad and a budget-friendly MacBook over the next couple of months. We were talking March, April, but now according to sources, it's going to happen until after WWDC. It seems that the new MacBook is going to be less than $1,000, bring a Retina display, and all the bells and whistles of the MacBook just at a better price tag. And then in the case of the iPad, we're still waiting to see exactly what is coming here that's new. We'll keep you posted as soon as we learn more. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy S9 and two separate reports that have to do with teardowns and just breaking that thing apart. On one hand, we've got Zach, my buddy from Jerry Rig Everything. He showed us that the durability on this phone is great, and that's awesome. Most interesting, once he got his teardown, and then in other official teardowns that we've seen, we noticed a couple of things. The first one is that most of the components from the Galaxy S8, when it comes to, for example, like the iris scanner in addition to other sensors, are pretty much the same in the Galaxy S9. That's one thing. The second thing is you really don't want to break that phone. Apparently replacing that display is going to be insanely difficult. Apparently a lot of it has to do with the new design of the battery placement, etc., which is interesting, but it leads me to the question today. Would you use your new Galaxy S9 without a case? Is that the way you're gonna roll with it? In my case, I've been using it without a case for a bit. I already dropped it. It was bad. So protect your phone. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know what you're going to do. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our review of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.